Okay, today we shall be looking at the Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet is actually a wallet that enables members or people who love token to actually buy or swap tokens to other currencies. So I'll just go to Play Store and I will download the Trust Wallet. Okay, when I go to Play Store here, I'll just download the Trust Wallet, and once I download the Trust Wallet, now I will have to create my account. So once you create your account, they'll give you the 12 security phrase. You make sure that you write down the 12 security phrase when you write them down, in case you might misplace your cell phone or the device you are using. So you make sure that you write them down. So once you have the Trust Wallet written down and the account created, you will now log into your Trust Wallet. You have something like this, the Trust Wallet. You can see the logo, something like this. I already have my Trust Wallet here. So once I am in my wallet, I need to know the functionalities of my Trust Wallet. For example, if I want to send money to someone, for example, if it is BNB, I can just click here and I go to send, and I'll put the recipient wallet address. I'll put the amount here in BNB, and below here I'll see send. So that is how you actually send money in your Trust Wallet. But we need to look at the main settings, the settings area. We have the wallets. Okay, we have the wallet here, and we have multi-coin wallet. When you click here, you can now see, if you want to see your 12 security phrase, you click here, show secret phrase, and when you click here, you have to accept all this, and then you go to continue. I don't want to show my security phrase, so I don't want to click on continue here. Okay, so I'll go back, and that is how you see your security phrase, should in case you forget the phrase. And then you have the mode. You might want to put your wallet into the dark mode. Okay, you can click here and change all the mode. If you want to put in the light mode, you see that. So you see how this is changing. And then you have now the security. Okay, the security, you have a passcode. This passcode is when you want to actually insert a code before you can actually get into your Trust Wallet. So you might just activate this and put in your security code. Then you want to have notification, should in case somebody sends you money or what have you. Anything you do, if you want to have notification, you can activate that and always have your notification. One thing that is very important here is what we call the preference. You want to select what currency you want to use. Okay, you can put any currency of your choice. I'll always leave mine in USD, so you see USD here. And then you have the dApps browser. The dApps browser enables you to actually it enables you to log into other platform like PancakeSwap. You know, you might want to always leave that deactivated, so that each time you finish doing your transaction, you want to deactivate that. Now you can enable that whenever you want to go to other areas. You see it right down here. You see wallet, discovery, and dApps. Okay, so from preference, we have price alert. You want to set up your price alert. You can decide to put in price alert. You select any tokens of your choice. You click here plus. You might want to add any price alert of your choice. This is how you add price alerts. Okay, so that when the price is going up or going down, you can easily have them here. You can be notified. Okay, that is how you add the price alert in your Trust Wallet. Okay, so then here you have wallet connects. You want to connect your wallet to other stuffs. Okay, you have that, and then you have the help center, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and what have you. This is the social media site. So this is the security area of your Trust Wallets. Okay, and when you come back here, you now have the various tokens that are in your account. But in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can actually add tokens into your Trust Wallet. Okay, I'll be showing you how to add tokens into your Trust Wallet and actually buy them through PancakeSwap.